Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix when Instagram says try again later. So you have to just go to your Instagram app. So open it. So go to your profile icon on the right side. So when it's open, you have to go to their settings on the top right corner. The three horizontal lines, you have to click it and it will be opened. So when it's opened, so you have to scroll down to find report a problem. So scroll down more. So there is help and report a problem. So you have to turn the off the phone shake to report a problem. You have to turn off and click to turn on. So you have to type the problem which are you facing. So I will write solve my problem, please try again later. That Instagram shows me. So when I will write, so I will send a problem. So my problem is has been submit to their help and support. This is how to fix please try again later in Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.